Hey guys, welcome back to Evolving Mail. So today I've got something for my 2020 Triumph Street Triple RS that I did not think I was going to have to do. It is, right now, it's February 3rd, 2024. I bought this in March of 21. It was the 20 models coming out, the newer, a little bit newer headlights, a little bit some new stuff on there. I think the 19s have a bulb that goes in here, but with the 20 they went to all LED. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and show you what the problem is. So here's the problem. The bike is on and you cannot see. If you look a little bit, there's like a parking light in there, but there's a little bit of flashing going on. And also the eyebrows are not lit up. I have no lights, and I discovered this while driving at night one morning, or during the morning when it was dark. I do have the high beam that still works somehow. I'm not even sure how it works, but it works, and I'm thankful for that. But that's it. So I have to drive around with the high beam on. I'm stuck driving this because my truck's in the shop. So what I did is I got a replacement for this, and I'm going to show you how that goes right after this. I'm not there right now. Hey guys, I'm back, and okay, so here's what I did. So here's the bad news. The bad news is that you can't change the bulbs inside, because this is LED that never goes bad, and it's all one piece. So I found some aftermarket stuff that had scuffs and scrapes, and then this morning, the day after I get the new headlights in, somebody posted a set online cheaper than what I paid. But what I have to do is I have to replace this whole unit. There is a module in there that controls everything, and that is probably what's bad. But I didn't want to. I could find used ones for like 170 bucks, but I didn't want to do that because if it don't work, I'm out. And I don't really trust it. I definitely don't trust that this high beam is going to last much longer. This took me about a week and a half to get. I looked at a couple places. When I looked on Triumph directly, I believe they were 850 pounds. I'm in America, so we got to convert it, which is over 850 pounds depending on when you do it. And I did find them at World of Triumph, and I found them at Engel Motors out of Oklahoma for about 430 or something, 450. So out the door and everything, free shipping, it was $539. So we're gonna go ahead and change those out. So you can see next to me, between my dog running around, but you can see that I've got this box that has Triumph on there, and I've already opened it up. And I put a little teaser online that this was the new Triumph VR headset, but it is not. This is the new, brand new with some tape goo on there. Brand new system, and each LED is housed inside. Right back in here is the controller module, but like I said, I couldn't see that. This was sold as one unit. They are made by JW Speaker, which makes a lot of like aftermarket lights and stuff like that. Well-known brand, but they didn't sell this. I couldn't find this just for sale. And you can see inside of there's some LEDs in there. Right now on the low beam, I just have one going off. This is the low beam side. I have one little tiny light flickering, but it's very dim. And when I shut the light off at night, I cannot see a single thing. So I ride with this. Okay, so if you can come around here, babe, I'll show you the bolts you got to take off. I'm having it a little. I took this all apart trying to figure out what was going on. Check the plugs. I didn't have any issues there. There's a bolt. Let me see. There's two little bolts here and two here, but when I put the other side of the bottom back on, it presented a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it off from the bottom, so I can just take this whole thing off, because I can't get that other one out. I could feel it stripping on when I did it, and so now I just tried to take it off and it's not coming off, so I'm going to have to make it come off some other way. So this is a 5mm Allen. Take this one off. Take this one off. And this is actually attaching it right to the air inlet that is running underneath the triple tree there. Attaches. So this should, I believe. Oh no, I still got to take these off. So you still got to take these upper ones off. one on each side. You're gonna need some kind of other Allen wrench than a long one. Yeah, see, this is not wanting to come off either. It's pretty awesome. There's like grommets in there. I think they're just spinning. And I did not tighten it very tight, but I don't know what's going on there. Try the other side. It's just a matter of trying to pinch it so it'll come loose. And it's not going to matter because this whole headlight assembly is going away. But if anyone wants to buy a used headlight assembly, I'll sell it to you super cheap. I'm gonna. Okay guys, so this is the old one, and you can see where I had to kind of cut through and break it right here and here. And what happened is that sleeve inside the plastic was just spinning with the bolt. And probably on one of them, I know that it didn't have, this goes on up against a grommet, and then it has a washer. And on one of them, I think I didn't have the washer on there, so when I tightened it down, I over tightened it instead of pressing this washer against the metal. But regardless, don't over tighten them because you're gonna regret it. So we're ready to put the other one back on, and just need to. Here's the plug down here. You just got to press this tab in to take that off. I didn't get that on camera because I was too busy monkeying this around. But we're just gonna plug this back in. Hear that nice snap, click, not snap. You got these little tips down here have to go up inside the grommet right there, so you got to kind of get it up in there. Put it up in there. Get it up in there sideways, crooked, and then put it in like that. And then you're gonna make sure you got the metal washer on the outside. Oh, the black ones. Find a hole. Find a hole.
In your home.
There's a hole here somewhere. And then you pull it back out because you can't find the hole. Let's see if you can. It's hard to get in here, my head and the camera as well. Find that right there. Black one goes in that side. The other side, the washer's already stuck to the grommet. It never came off. It never came off as I said that. Get that in there like that. Grab your Allen wrench for the bottoms. I'm just gonna kind of.
something ain't jiving here. It's not jiving. Maybe a matter of loosening up this bottom bracket so I can slide this thing around. I took that bracket off because I had a messed up thing in that one as well. And you just got to kind of get that in there like that. Take your metal, the ones that you can see seem to be
so you put them all in before you
fancy.
tighten it up.
Yeah. I'll put them all in before we gently tighten them up this time. Not wrenching it like a gorilla like I did, apparently. And like I said, it does help to see, I screwed that grommet up right there a little bit, kind of cut through because I had to put this. I had to put a little hacksaw behind there to knock off that plastic thing on the old one. I'm just sticking the grommet back in the hole. Grommets are great. I'm lying when I say that. Just want to get that back in there. Maybe there you go. Just got to compress that grommet a little bit. And come back in with our little Allen wrench. And we're just gonna snug them up. Which I didn't, to be honest, I felt like I just snugged it up on when I put it back together after taking it apart to check the wires out, but maybe not. This is got a little bit of screwed up thread, so I'm going to be real easy with that so I don't spin that thing. And then get in there with this. This is easier to use. And then what I'll do is I'm not going to tighten them up real tight. I'll just put this Allen wrench in my bag and take it with me and check them first couple rides, make sure nothing's moving out. Do not use super glue. Do not use Loctite because you will get that. These you can put tight, but you will rip those metal things out of the plastic like I did. Okay, so that's everything back on. Then we come around to the front. I have not tried it yet. I'm gonna do a little unveiling here with the. I don't know what that's supposed to be pulling off. Turn the lights on.
I'm getting scratched some edges.
Look at that. So we do have the eyebrows are lit up and the low beam is on. You know, do the high beam. High beam works. I was not getting the eyebrows and the low beam with that, so it worked. $450, or sorry, $539 from Engel Motors. I will put the link below, and I appreciate. I choke on words. I appreciate you guys watching. Please leave some links or comments below. Look for the links. Check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Evolving Male. And I really appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Not an upgrade I thought I was going to do, but hey, that's life, and that's it. Peace out.